Hey everybody, I'm Trish from Foldfactory, and this is your 60-second Super Cool Fold of the Week. Thanks for watching. This week's Super Cool Fold was sent to me by my good friend Jamie McLennan. This piece was produced by A Quick Cut in New Jersey, and this piece is so cool. Now I have a little homework assignment for you. I want you to go back to episode 435, where I showed an asymmetrical accordion brochure with unique swinger die cuts. Well, this is a variation of that format, and I want you to see the difference between one that's more of a marketing brochure and this one that's done on a specialty sheet. And this is all die cut and foil stamp only. So it's really, really, really beautiful. The sheet is called Plike. It's a specialty sheet, 122-pound cover, feels like soft touch. Coating, really, really nice. This is for Seminole Hard Rock Hotel and Casino in Tampa. So it says Rock Around the Clock New Year's Eve. So it's got this clock theme. Beautiful foil. There's gold and black shiny foil. So two different types of foil. And then it opens up like this, and you can see it's the gears of a clock in gold, and then there's a clock on this last panel. This is an asymmetrical accordion, so you can see there's 6 shorter panels, all the same width, and then 2 longer panels on the ends, and then swinger die cuts for all of these pieces. So if I stretch it out, you can kind of see how this works. So these are all swinger panels, 1, 2, 3. These have gorgeous foil in register, extremely critical. So they did 1 pass of die cutting and then 2 passes on each side, gold and black on each side. So just, it's impeccable. It's really, really gorgeous. But I love how these gears all line up and make this beautiful dimensional clock. It's just so nice. So anyway, I hope you like it. That's your 60-second Super Cool Fold of the Week. Beautiful deluxe asymmetrical accordion invitation. Forward this to your friends and colleagues. Keep the dialogue going. Viewers, please send me your folds if I use them. I'll send you free stuff. Visit foldfactory.com for folded tables, dialogues, and print. And remember, think finishing at the beginning. I'll see you next week.